Ucenjia wa riera thiini wa thi ni undu rari utharuritie imera torerimi makoragwo maciui hakuhe o hindi magatukanirwo ni kiria mekuhanda. Kwa muhano gutikoragwo na mbura kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka, no rita riri murimi no eire ni ihinda ria mbura nene. CS wa urimi Peter Munya riu ni orotete ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera bururi-ini akiuga ri ni ihinda riria mabatie gwitungumania kuhe arimi mwerekera thutha uthuthuria mukinyaniru wiigii riera niguo kuninira arimi kihingica.
This is another area I've been in trade with. This is another area we will need to look with counties, Mr. Chairman. Issues of metrology in terms of weights and measures, so that you have correct weights and measures that are not exploitative to the farmer. Ataramu wa urimi makoretwo makinyiriria bata wa kwarahura ruhonge rwa urimi na njira ya gukinyaria arimi ndumiriri mahinda kwa mahinda igi ugaruruku wa riera.
Undu raitari ndirona ugikwo we munene ni kindu gitagwo public awareness na education. No horo ucio korwo no utwarithio nginya makanitha-ini, nginya kuria grassroots nigetha wanji kuria withi ambiririe kwimenya.
Food security ya bururi uyu ni irathirete ni maundu maingi muno. Koguo ithui as a country no mwaka tukorwo twina strategy ya kuhota kumenya ati wega umaga na mucii. As a country no mwaka tu safeguard na tumenye ati twina threat ewe turoiga ya climate na ya mabũrũri maria mangi marenda guthukia economy itu.
Ihinda-ini riri arimi mari na ihinda ritu ria kuruta magetha mao kuma migunda-ini ni undu wa mbura riri nacio ndariri ciothe na riboti ya ica ikuhi ya urathi cionanitie mbura ino ya kura nginyagia tariki 3 mweri tukite.
Not only are we going to reform, we are also going to improve on the quality of storage. We put standards for warehousing to deal with these problems of aflatoxin, poor drying, poor storage. And we want to do that at the government level, but also at the private sector level. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria ngari 26 cia utungata wa urimi thiini wa county, Munya augite ikinyani ria gutigirira bururi-ini wage na muthithu muiganu kuri na mubango wa kwagirithia makumbi na njira ya kumahe uhoti wa kumithia irio iria iremeire migunda-ini itananangwo ni mbura. We want to implement the warehouse receipting system, where food, wherever it is, can be available to government and to communities that need it and to people that need it at the right time.
Ugaruruku wa riera mwaka wa 2020 ni kiriga kimwe gikorereire muingi na makiria kuhutia ruhonge rwa urimi na arimi magitanyaga umithio muingi thiini wa mwaka uyu. Ministry ya urimi iri na gibarua kinene gia guthathaurira arimi iguru rigie mahanda na magetha mwaka-ini uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, gitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.